See, next we are going to see about the validity of research design. Okay, so there are two different criteria for evaluating the research design, that is for extraneous variables and independent and the dependent variables. Okay, from this we have to find out the validity. Okay, so with the validity only our research design will be effective. So there are two types of validity are there. First one is internal validity and the external validity. So internal validity I will take tomorrow, but today we are going to see about the external validity. Okay, external validity is in which there is a generalization to the general population. External validity research under the condition and in which type of subjects you have taken. Okay, so what is the subject you have taken means, in the sense what is the topic you have taken, whether you have taken play material, whether you have taken mothers of toddlers, or whether you have taken your subject is what, menopause signs and symptoms, and menarche, what is the personal hygiene, menstrual hygiene, and a lot of topics are there. So in the topic what you have taken, so under that we have to assess that external validity. So some of the factors that is very important, for that it will come for your 5 mark question also. First one is Hawthorne effect. Okay, Hawthorne effect is nothing that is the person that is aware of being observed. Now we are going to take about the menstrual hygiene. That is, menstrual hygiene means before you are taking the subject, you are thinking that is you are going to take the subject of menstrual hygiene, but when the children are studying, that is 8th 7th standard 8th standard, so during that time even the class teacher only they have taught regarding the how you should behave when you are getting the menstruation, and what are all the things when what are all the signs and symptoms you will get. The teachers only they may teach. Okay, so same thing when you are going to take about the menstrual hygiene, the persons, the population, that is a sample, they know that which topic they are going to take. Okay, so that is the person already knows the subject, that is we are calling as a Hawthorne effect. Then next one is a experimental effect. So experimental effect is nothing, that is the characteristics the teachers are, even for you may follow the teachers, how the teachers are behaving, how the teachers are wearing the sari, how the teachers are taking the classes. You are doing some mimicry also, no, same thing like that. So which is your role model. Okay, so how the teachers are behaving, though it's not for teachers I am telling, example I am telling. So experimental design I am telling. So how the mannerism, okay, how the people are behaving, how the subject is influence in your life. Okay, so these are all the things we are calling as a experimental effect. So here they have given like a behavior and facial expressions, clothes, age, gender, and body build. Okay, so these are all the things we are calling as a experimental effect. The next one is a reactive effect. So reactive effect of present. So reactive effect is nothing, that is it occurs the subjects have been sensitized to the treatment because of taking the pre-test. Maybe like for AIDS, when you are taking assessing the AIDS. Okay, so when you are taking the AIDS, so the people, maximum the people, they will avoid, why I want to take the test, because they may, I don't have AIDS, I don't want, this is like a sensitive issues. Okay, those are that sensitive issues, they cannot go for, they cannot come forward. Okay, we will take the test. Okay, now if you are telling like coronavirus, so many members, even though it is not a sexually transmitted disease, even though corona, why I want to check, even if I am checking if it is positive, so again I cannot go to my home, so they will make me to separate, and a lot of things are there. So it is, these are all the things we are calling as a sensitized, that is we are calling here it is reactive effect of pretest. Okay, then next one is a novelty effect. Novelty effect is, that is researcher might behave the different ways, they may enthusiastic about the new methods of doing things. So this is the method. we are taking like AIDS only we can take. So when you are taking AIDS, so many members, they are not willing to come forward and taking the test. So for that, instead of giving a questionnaire or giving, we are calling the sample people, instead of that, what we should do, generally we can call all the people and we can give that AIDS is what, AIDS, how the AIDS will spread, how to prevent, and what are the causes for getting the AIDS. So it is a common thing. When you are giving the common thing, so automatically everybody will get the knowledge, but without knowing anybody. So even if the persons are affected with AIDS also, they cannot come forward. For instead of that, when you are making a groupism, when you are making group, when you are taking the classes, even that person also will come to know, and other people also come to know. That is, we are calling as a novelty effect. Then next one is a people. Here it is, for example, I can give you the people, those who are like black people. Okay, black people won't get the heart attack, that is a coronary heart disease, than the white people. Okay, it is a common factor. So in that, when we are assessing here, it is the races such as whites have high prevalence of coronary artery disease compared to the blacks. Okay, whites are getting high risk for getting the coronary heart disease. Okay, therefore generalization made for whites will not be applicable for blacks. Hence the threats of the external validity. Understood? Okay, so next one is a place. So place, when we are comparing to the places for high altitude, the people, those who are living in the high altitude, they need more oxygen, because you know that when the exertion will be more. So what is that, their HB level is more than the people, those who are living in the tropical area. So when we are, so for HB and the RBC's level are more, because high altitude people needs more oxygen. The oxygen is who is carrying the red blood cells. So the red blood cells, when oxygen is more, so because of the high altitude people, when they are living, they need more oxygen. So RBC level will be more. Okay, understood, than the tropical area. Understood. Then next one is a time. Okay, time is nothing, that is, the researcher was carried out of the community in 1990. They have conducted one study related to 1990, which type of diseases are more. Okay, polio. Okay, so they have assessed the polio conditions. So when they are assessing and they have written the treatment, and when they have written the report, so 1990 they have written the report, and afterwards 1 or 2 years, the 95, okay, the 1995 they have conducted again the same study. So when they are conducting the study, we cannot expect that in 1990 what is the result, same results will get in the 1995. So the results will be vary. So the timings are different, when we cannot expect the same results in different years. Understood? Okay, that is called time. Okay, so these are all the external validity. So external validity, first one is Hawthorne effect. That is, Hawthorne effect is how the person knows that already, the person knowing the particular subject when what the persons are going to do. Okay, so next one is a experimental effect. That is, it is influencing the characteristic behavior and what is that, what they are going to do. And a reactive effect of pretest. If a reactive effect of pretest is, I didn't take you this. Okay, that is so reactive, that is sensitized issue. That is, when the people are having that one particular disease, when you are taking the pretest for those who affected AIDS patient, so the people, they are not ready to come. So it is a sensitive issue. For instead of that, what we have to make it is a group, and we can give about the health education. Especially in Tamil Nadu, Erode districts are more, AIDS patients are more. More means number of at least 5:1. Okay, so that type of people, if you are calling for come AIDS patients and all come, we can conduct the test. We cannot do that. So group education is must. The next one is a novelty effect. That novelty effect, already I said, how the enthusiastic, once the treatments are familiar, okay, how they are doing. The next one is the people. The people already I said regarding the, it's a common factor, that is whites are getting more coronary disease than the blacks. And the next one is a place. So depends upon the place, like a high altitude people, they may, where they are living, they need more oxygen, so RBC level are more than the tropical area. Then time is one time what they have taken the test, what they have taken the results, and the same results we cannot get it for the next. Okay, so these are all the things when you are doing the research. So research external validity is important. So these are all the things when you are doing your research, it must be applicable. These are all the criteria. These are all the criteria when you are applicable. So for high altitude patients, no need, HB level is more, so HB level is less. So if you are making your external validity, your what else man, you won't get that a correct result. Your hypothesis maybe will get a null hypothesis. So your hypothesis have to come in the like a positive way, means these are all the effects you have to make it in the correct way. Oh, you have to applicable in your research study. Okay, so research study, you know that which research topic and to whom you are going to take, and what is the topic. So everything will be having that common sense validity only. So in that, these are the things we are applying. So these questions are important for 5-mark question. Okay, so tomorrow I'll take regarding your internal validity. Okay, bye.